This is not a filter. That's a serverless pipeline running on AWS. I'll show you exactly how to build it. Here's the app that built those. You upload a photo, pick a style, and a serverless AI pipeline on AWS does the rest. Navigate to the app URL. It's a static site hosted on S3, no server required. Sign in using Cognito. The hosted UI handles authentication, email and password, no custom auth code. Select a photo and pick a style. Hit Cartoonify. The app uploads the image to S3 and kicks off the pipeline. The job status updates in real time. When it completes, the result appears in the gallery. There are 6 styles: Pixar 3D, Simpsons, Anime, Comic Book, Watercolor, and Pencil Sketch. Each one runs through the same pipeline. Same photo, 6 different outputs. Now that you've seen it work, let's look at how it's built. The app uses Cognito for authentication. The browser completes a PKCE login flow and receives a JWT. Every API call sends that JWT to API gateway. The gateway validates it before any Lambda runs. The image goes directly from the browser to S3. It never passes through a Lambda function. When you hit Cartoonify, the API creates a job record in DynamoDB with a status of submitted. Then it enqueues a message to SQS. This is the key design decision. SQS decouples the slow Bedrock call from the API response. The user doesn't wait. SQS triggers the worker Lambda. This is a container image. It needs Pillow to normalize the image before sending it to Bedrock. The worker calls the Bedrock stability model with the style prompt. Bedrock generates the cartoon. The cartoon is written back to S3. The job record is updated to complete. The browser is polling every 2 seconds and picks it up immediately. That's a full pipeline. 8 AWS services, 0 servers to manage. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up AWS in Terraform, check out our AWS setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build has completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. 2 S3 buckets are created. One hosts a web application. The other stores the uploaded photos and generated cartoons. Cognito manages authentication. The user pool handles sign up, sign in, and token issuance. 6 Lambda functions make up the API layer. 5 handle the API routes. The 6th is the worker, deployed as a container image. The SQS queue connects the API to the worker. This is what keeps the pipeline asynchronous. DynamoDB tracks every job. Owner is the partition key. Job ID is the sort key. Here are the actual job records. Pixar 3D, Pencil Sketch, Watercolor, all complete. Comic Book still processing. And here are the cartoon files in S3. 1 PNG per job, stored in the cartoons folder. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.